I'm Dr. S. Mishra. I'm a dental surgeon. I welcome you all to my channel. Now Ask the Doctor. If you are having patches over your tongue, feeling lethargic, along with loss of taste, then this could be a symptom of coronavirus infection. Be aware and report this immediately to your doctor. The symptoms of COVID 19 infection are constantly evolving as well as increasing. There are new discoveries in this field as time progresses. Researchers now claim a strange symptom associated with the coronavirus infection. This is called COVID tongue. Professor Tim Spector, who is an epidemiologist at King's College London, claims to be observing an increasing number of COVID 19 patients suffering from unusual symptoms in their mouth, such as coated tongue, patched tongue, or COVID tongue, as he calls it. So there are patches or coating, white patches all over the tongue. It resolves itself in a week. During this condition, a person loses the ability to taste. So there was a study, and in it they found patients diagnosed as mild and moderate COVID 19 commonly had light red tongue and white coating. Severe patients had purple tongue with yellow coating. Greasy coating was a significant characteristic of patients with COVID 19. The proportion of critical patients with tender tongue increased to 75%. Tongue features can serve as potential indicators for the evaluation of patients' condition and prognosis. Further studies are needed to enhance the quantification of tongue features and develop standards. So, if you are feeling less energetic, feeling feverish, having white coatings or patches over your tongue, along with loss of taste, then immediately report this to your doctor. This could be a symptom of COVID 19. Always remember that our mouth might be a vulnerable area to this virus due to the abundance of the ACE2, that is the angiotensin converting enzyme receptor in the oral tissue. This angiotensin converting enzyme receptor has been well documented to be the target receptor of the coronavirus and the portal of entry into the human cell. That's all. If you find our video to be informative and helpful, then please share it with your near ones and please subscribe to our channel for more health related videos and health related updates. Thank you. Stay healthy and stay happy.